I love coming back here and back home. Yes, and so it's really nice and it's really cool that I get to come here to the high performance rugby Samoa and give back, because I think that's one of the reasons why I do play. Is I am from New Zealand, but also Samoa too, and so I try to represent that everywhere I go. I started off league when I was about 5 years old. Yes, so I've been playing for a really long time. I played, and it was pretty much because my cousins were playing, and so I didn't want to get left out, and so I went and played league with them. And my older sister played too, all the way back then, but she doesn't like it. She found her own sport in career netball, which was awesome. And I started playing 15s when I was about 9 or 10. I played for Ponsonby Rugby Club in Auckland, and so again I followed my cousins there, and also my family's a big rugby family, and I have a few uncles who have represented New Zealand, and so I guess it is in my blood. So Olive Brown and Tana. So I'm really lucky to have mentors like them in my family. Also my older sister, even though it's not rugby, she represents New Zealand in netball, and so having a older sister who's also a professional athlete has also helped me in my career, and we get to share our stories, and I think we have the same passion for helping our community and giving back to especially our Pacific community, and so that's one of the reasons why we love playing on the world stage. We do represent New Zealand, but we are also Samoan, and so we try to implement that in everything we do. We do have a Samoan festa that we do in our Black Ferns team. There's also a lot of Māori, and so we try to bring in the Pacific culture into the team, because there are a lot of girls, not only Samoan but Cook Island, Tongan, Fijian, that we want to show that we want to try and inspire and empower them to achieve whatever they want to, and to let them know that it is possible. And we have had a lot of past players, Samoan or Pacific Islanders, who have helped pave the way for us, and so we are very grateful for that, for their legacy that they've allowed us to reap the rewards, and hopefully we can do that for the next generation coming. I think that would be an awesome campaign. There's so much talent in all the Pacific Islands, in the Pacific Island nations, and also in New Zealand, and so to have a Moana Pacifica team would be awesome for the women's. It would give the Pacific community another team to aspire to, and yeah, I think it would make the competition more exciting. Would bring a lot more excitement in. I love coming back to Samoa. I myself personally am on my own journey discovering where I do come from. I am still trying to learn the language, and so that's one personal goal for me, but I try to stay rooted to my Samoan heritage and try to represent it as best as I can when I'm playing and when on and off the field, and so it's always really special to come here and to be able to give back to Samoan rugby is even more humbling. It is something that I aspire to do, and for it to, I guess, become reality. I don't really have many words for it. I just know that I'm very blessed, very grateful for what I do have in New Zealand, and so anything and everything that I can do to help back here, back at home. It is hard work, but putting your mind to it and knowing that there is a pathway there for Pacific people and for Pacific young women to come through, and so it is possible. Just keep working hard, keep staying true to yourself. That's probably one of the things that I try to speak about and talk about, is that you don't have to be someone else. You can still be the Samoan woman playing rugby, and so there are pathways out there, and the support is getting there, and so just keep being true to yourself, keep working hard, and hopefully there are more Samoan women out there.